In today's video, I'm going to show you Amazon Basics Sound Deadener review better than Dynamat. The Amazon Basics Sound Deadener is a budget-friendly automotive sound damping mat made of butyl rubber with an aluminum-faced backing that you stick to metal panels like doors, floors, or trunks to reduce road noise, vibration, and rattles, and it's positioned as an ultra-cheap alternative to premium brands like Dynamat. It's cut to fit, easy to install with scissors and a roller, and because it's lightweight and self-adhesive, it's popular among DIYers, tackling noise issues without professional tools. Many users report noticeable reductions in panel vibration, clearer music reproduction, and a more solid, less tin can feel inside the cabin after applying it. Comparisons between Amazon Basics and Dynamat show some surprising results. Both products use similar butyl plus foil construction and can reduce noise after installation. And in one independent test, the measured cabin noise drop with Amazon Basics was nearly identical to Dynamat despite a much lower price. However, that same comparison also found Amazon Basics to be less flexible and slightly harder to work in tight curves. And Dynamat remains thicker and more effective at damping deep engine rumble and low-frequency vibrations. Community discussions reflect this mixed perception. Some car owners swear the Amazon Basics mat works completely fine for general noise reduction and is good enough for the money, while others note it's not as effective or durable as premium deadeners and may need extra layers or supplemental foam to match higher-end results. Overall, the Amazon Basics Sound Deadener isn't a scam, and it genuinely reduces noise. It's an excellent value for everyday noise and vibration control, whereas Dynamat retains an edge in thickness, flexibility, and deep frequency damping for more demanding builds. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.